Hi guys, it's Jamie here, and it's time to do my happy planner from the 8th of November through to the 14th. Now, last week when I did the mermaid, it leaked through. So I've redrawn just with a pencil some of the original boxes and lines. If that's looking a little odd to you, that's why. I put a big sheet of plain sticker paper over and then traced through. I didn't really have a theme for this week, and I was on PixArt just going to get some boxes and saw that they had a new background paper which I didn't end up using, but it then inspired the theme, which was tea. I don't actually drink tea, I drink coffee, but the idea of tea or tea time and high tea is very British. So I thought, yay, let's have high tea, cake and things. I got a load of pictures of cakes from my PixArt membership and my two big main ones, and then got some boxes that I felt reflected the colours, quite muted. That's the big box for this week. And as usual, to be a bit of a design bore, I will probably do the big box down there with something large at the bottom, because that has become my way to do things. I might do it that way actually, that fits better. I think we're off to a good start. Hopefully it will continue to go well. So the only other big one, we've got a few big ones, cakes and cups of tea and pots of tea and things. I probably won't use all of these. I do want a box on each day, of course. Oh, look at that giant cake and a big teacup. So, and I've got him, and I really want him on here. Don't necessarily want him in the same position though. So maybe put him there, but he's going to need to, I need boxes this week definitely. I know I'm not very good at organising my time, and I end up doing more towards the weekend than I ever do during the week for some reason. I will probably concentrate down here a little bit. We have a tower moment going on with the donuts. I'm just obviously not lining them up particularly straight at the moment, just trying to get an idea. I might have to move mouse. Maybe put mouse there. Didn't really want anything lining up. That's got cups, that's got cups. Let's do cake. Where can we put mouse? Maybe mouse there then. Big teapot. Like I say, I'm just vaguely laying a few things down at the moment. Probably be better off putting the boxes down maybe. A little bit cake obsessed this spread. I'm happy with mouse and cake in those positions, so it's really this side. Is that all too much of that colour? I might not use that teapot. I think we need a different colour. Oh, that's a bit more colourful. Got a quote or two this week as well. Okay, that works okay, so let's get those ones down. Then what do we want? Big cake? I liked that teacup, didn't I? It's a little bit equal with that one though. Maybe let's put in him there though. Pop that teapot there, something like that. I don't think I've got many small boxes this week. As you can see, I'm just piling up the pinks at the moment. I like the way that looks. We do have a quote and end with a cupcake. Do that big one on Thursday and Friday. Well, mostly because if he goes on, he's going to go over that box a lot, so maybe mostly there. I'm trying to keep them both in because I want them to work. And then part of me really wants something down here as well. So I know we're doing a bit of staggering now. Work like that. I think it does. I have a vertical quote, which might work. I thought might work there. Bring the cake under the quote. Cool. This is going very quickly. Don't have much in the way of pictures left. We do have the big spotty teapot. Love heart cup. And another cake. Got a big square. You could come off the page actually. Should we take it all the way off the page or just line it up with the box? I think just line it up with the box. But what I will do is I will cut it free. I'm just getting a blade and a steel ruler, lining up roughly where the box ends, and then very gently, because it's very sharp, this blade, it's a new one. See if that will pull. No, once more. They might be gentle and then there's too gentle. There, looks good. You could have a cup going the other way at the top. We have a slice of cake. I'm just seeing if there's gaps, if I want to fill them. It's quite busy over here if I put all of those down, and less busy over here. Probably end up wanting to put something on here as well. We want that cup up there. And I've only got 4 stickers left from that. And there's definitely no space for them. Wow, whipped through that one today. Maybe it's because it was cake and I like cake. I'm really quite pleased with that actually, now it's done. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this process, don't forget to subscribe. I don't just do planning, I do junk journaling, art journaling, ephemera making as well. And I try to upload 3 to 5 times a week. So always new content. You can check that out in the playlist. Give it a thumbs up and a like because that helps other people see the channel. And let me know what you think of our very pink weekly spread for what is a very grey month in the UK in the comments below. And I will see you next time.